you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another. Why am I throwing this up? And I'm back with another video.
She got a rope, shorty drippin', that's Christian Dior. I'm feeling the vibe, she liking the style, keep it on the low. I bought the bar, she look like a star, we ready to toast. Shorty's bad, she really bad, she not one of those. She got a rope, shorty's different, leave her alone. She got a rope, shorty ain't trippin', she got a go. Shorty she bad, she got a bag, she not one of those.
In today's video, we're going to be working with Isee hair. Now, I feel like I haven't worked with Isee hair in a long time, but I feel like I have. But honey, this hair is giving. Y'all, 26 on your girl. 26. This hair is so freaking silky. I really literally didn't have to do nothing when it came out the pack, y'all. The plucking on this wig, y'all. The plucking on this wig is giving. The band inside, y'all. It's something about companies when they have like that really tight band, because baby, you can't even see nothing in the wig. Glueless, honey, glueless, but you can't see nothing. You can't see not a lace or nothing, y'all. So this wig is really giving. This is 26 inches. I wish you guys can see this wig in person. Like, it's giving silk press, y'all. This hair is fire. Y'all, this is a new wig they got out. This wig is ultra secured, y'all, which means they have removable combs inside. Also, like I said, the band is really tight. Like, of course you can adjust it. I love putting my bands real tight because, honey, I want it to get melted, as if this wig is glued down, y'all. But this wig is glueless and it's giving melted. Also, it's a large lace, y'all. This is a 6x9 lace, and honey, it's giving. Let me show y'all real quick. Hold on. This wig, yeah, look at that lace, y'all. For a glueless wig, the lace, you have so much space to do whatever you want, whatever type of part you want. Y'all, this wig is it. Also, y'all, this wig, it has like an ear shape. You guys know sometimes when we get wigs and like it bothers our ears. Y'all, this wig is literally shaped right around my ear perfectly. Also, this wig, y'all, I feel like this is the flattest wig I've ever had, and it's because they have some type of new 3D dome cap. I don't know what it is, but honey, y'all know usually straight off the pack I would have to instantly flatten my hair. Y'all, I didn't even really flatten my hair like that. I didn't have to put no wax stick, y'all. All I did was run my hot comb through it, but I didn't really have to put no wax stick. This hair came flat, y'all, flat. This wig is laying flat. Y'all wouldn't believe me if I told y'all my hair is in a ponytail under this. But the way this wig is designed, y'all, you can't even see my ponytail. Like, this wig is giving flat, y'all. This is a new type of wig, and I don't think I've ever had a wig like this that shaped my ears, that was this secured. Literally, it ain't going nowhere. It is tight, and it lays flat straight out the package, y'all. Highly recommend Isee new wig caps, because this wig is giving. You guys know this wig is beginner friendly. It comes pre-plucked, pre-cut, and pre-bleached, y'all. These wig companies is doing a damn thing. I tell you, you guys already know. Like I said, I would highly recommend this hair company. The same exact wig is going to be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 60K, man. Let's get it, let's go. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.